The Merchant of Venice by William Shakespeare. Before we actually start the text, we need to know what a drama is. Drama is an ancient word meaning act or deed. The ancient Greek philosopher Aristotle used the term drama to describe poetic compositions that were acted in front of audience in a theatre. Now, basically, there are three forms of drama. The genres are comedy, which also includes romantic comedy, tragedy, and satirical plays. The elements of a drama. The essential elements of a drama include the plot of the story, the theme on which the drama is created, the genre to which the story belongs, the characters, the setting, and the most important is the audience. Now we come to the actual drama which we are going to study, The Merchant of Venice. It is a 16th century play written by William Shakespeare in which a merchant in Venice named Antonio defaults on a large loan provided by a Jewish moneylender Shylock. It is believed to have been written between 1596 and 1599. The drama belongs to the genre of romantic comedy as it involves a beautiful heroine, but it has a tragic touch as it ends with the tragedy of Shylock, who loses everything, including his religion. The Merchant of Venice has a simple storyline with three distinct plots. They are the bond plot, the casket plot, and the ring plot. Now we come to the main characters, Antonio, Shylock, Bassanio, and Portia. Antonio is the rich merchant of Venice. He dislikes the Jews, and in the beginning of the drama, we see him in a state of melancholy. Antonio is loved by his friends and proves merciful to Shylock at the end of the drama. Then we come to the Jewish moneylender Shylock. He is angered by his mistreatment at the hand of the Venetian Christian Antonio, and then he schemes a revenge and ruthlessly demands a pound of Antonio's flesh as penalty for Antonio's defaulting a loan. The Christian characters in the play regard Shylock as an inhuman wretch, frequently mocking him for being obsessed with money. Then we come to Bassanio. Bassanio is a gentleman of Venice and a very dear friend to Antonio. Bassanio falls in love with a wealthy heiress, Portia, and comes to borrow money from Antonio, but since Antonio was unable to pay, he approached Shylock with Antonio as his guarantor. Now we come to the beautiful Portia. She is the wealthy heiress from Belmont. Her beauty is unmatched and she is extremely intelligent. But unfortunately, she is bound by her father's will that forces her to marry whichever suitor chooses correctly among the three caskets. We see her intelligence and wit at the end of the drama when she goes to the court of Venetian to save Antonio from the clutches of Shylock. Then we have the other characters. We have Jessica, we have Lorenzo, we have Nerissa and Graciano. Jessica is the daughter of Shylock. She is very beautiful and wise with a sense of humor and a poetical nature. She falls in love with Lorenzo, a handsome man who is successful in capturing the heart of the Jewess. Then we have Nerissa. She is the waiting maid of Portia, but more of a companion than a maid servant. She falls in love with Graciano, a friend of Bassanio, a very talkative and witty man. He is garrulous in the most striking manner.